Hi everyone, welcome to PeerPower Learning, where young minds light up science. I'm Abdulahi.
And I'm Stephanie. Today we're diving into one of the coolest subjects ever, physics.
Wait, Stephanie, physics? You mean that subject that scares with formula and calculations?
Yes, but trust me, physics isn't scary at all. In fact, it is the reason your phone rings, your fan spins, and your microwave pops your popcorn.
So what exactly is physics?
Physics is the science that studies matter and energy and how they interact.
Big words, but simply put, physics make us understand how things move, heat up, light up, or make sound.
Exactly. When you boil water for noodles and the steam rises, that's physics in action.
Or when PHCN finally restores light and your TV comes on, physics made that possible too.
Even your body moving right now, your muscles are applying force, that's physics at work.
So physics is really the study of nature itself. The word physics actually comes from the Greek word physis, which means nature.
Nice one, Abdullah. You can say physics is the language of the universe.
Now let's talk about how physics affects our daily life and Nigerian economy.
Oh yes, physics powers technology. Think about your smartphone. It's all because of electricity, magnetism, and light. All physics.
In Lagos, physics help engineers to build bridge like the 3rd Mainland Bridge safely.
It also helps doctors use X-ray to check broken bones at Lute or Lassus hospitals.
And mechanics in Mushin or Ikeja depend on physics principle to fix car engines.
Plus, physics graduates work in industries, from telecommunications to energy and even space research.
So physics is not just a theory, it's the backbone of modern life.
Abdullah, did you know physics has different branches just like departments in a big company?
Yes, let's see. Mechanics studies motion and force, heat studies temperature and energy, electricity and magnetism deals with current and magnet, optics all about light and lenses, sound explain why your speaker vibrates.
And don't forget modern physics. That's where we learn about atom, quantum theory, and even space.
So whether you are fixing a fan or building a rocket, physics is there for you.
Now let's meet some heroes of physics.
First up, Sir Isaac Newton, the man who discovered the law of motion after watching an apple fall.
Then Albert Einstein, who made us rethink space and time with his theory of relativity.
There's also Marie Curie, who discovered radium and won 2 Nobel Prizes, girl power.
Don't forget Michael Faraday, who gave us the idea of the electric motor, which was our fans and blenders we use at home.
And Thomas Edison, who gave the world the electric bulb. Imagine Lagos without street lights. Ha!
That would be a nightmare. These scientists made life brighter, literally.
Now, if you want to be a great physics student like them, here are a few tips.
Number 1, be curious. Ask why and how whenever you see something work.
Number 2, observe carefully. Physics starts with noticing things.
Number 3, don't fear mathematics. It's your best friend in physics.
Number 4, work with others. Teamwork makes learning fun.
Number 5, be consistent. Read your notes, ask questions, and practice problem solving.
And number 6, believe you can. Every physicist started just like you, curious and determined.
Let's quickly recap what we have learned today.
We explained what physics is, the study of matter, energy, and their interactions.
We discussed its economic importance, how it powers our world and improves our lives.
We named some branches of physics, like mechanics, heat, and electricity.
We met some great physicists, Newton, Einstein, Curie, Faraday, and Edison.
And we shared the quality of a good physics student.
So next time someone says physics is hard, tell them it's just nature explained.
Exactly. Keep asking questions, keep exploring, and keep learning.